Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and guess what we're doing today? That's right, mod number 2 on the Porsche 911 GT3. We're about to swap out the exhaust.
You remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation. All right, this is my 911 GT3 that I just got in New York. I tinted the windows as a first mod. Say what's up to Knowledge. Second mod is going to be swapping out the exhaust. So there you see the exhaust in there. And if I can fall into this car, this is the hardest car to get in and out of ever. These seats, man. That might be the mod, like the most expensive mod that I do in this car is to get the comfort seats, the Porsche comfort seats. So we'll see about that. But for now, let's do a cold start. There it is, cold start. 911 GT3. I'm gonna hook up my Apple CarPlay, and then we'll be on our way.
Proceed to the route.
All right, we made it to the shop with the 911. My buddy Bryan's gonna help me out. Oh, thanks. There he is, the man. The electric brake. All right, we're getting ready to pull it in, and believe it or not, I'm gonna try to help out. So, everybody, I got my Goonzquad shirt on. Shout out to Goonzquad for inspiring me to wrench. So he's gonna pull it in the other end, I'm pretty sure. All right, so we're pulling it in. See, they have all the tools, that's the thing. I have some tools, but I don't think I got enough. So, big shout out to Bryan for helping me out. This way I don't have to worry about having the right tools. Oh no, that was cool. At nighttime the fog lights come on. I didn't know that. All right, so we're getting ready to unbox the exhaust and get to work. Yeah, there's not much to it. It's pretty much a straight pipe.
You like the straight pipes, I found out.
This company's not very well known for Porsche exhausts, but
Who makes this one?
MBRP. MBRP, yeah. Bolt on. At least we hope. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty good, you know.
Is it ceramic coated?
Yeah. I think so. Yep. There it is. Not much to it. Should give us a little sound. MBRP, there it is.
MBRP.
So, that's the exhaust. There it is, folks. So we're gonna see what the lift, it's got a front lift. There it is, boom. It's quick too. All right, so we have to lift it up a little bit to get the lift under the car. It was a little bit too low, so we used the front end lift to raise it up. So there we go. What do you prefer, manual or PDK?
I'll get death threats if I don't say manual. I do like PDK though.
I like PDK too, man. So we're about to lift it up. There's the thing keeping the car quiet right there. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that. All right, so we looked up in there. There's 3 bolts holding this flange on that connects the muffler to the catalytic right here. So of course we're gonna have to take those off. But then also we're gonna take this under diffuser off. A bunch of little bolts on there. So the only thing is that there's a top bolt on the other side of that where you gotta kind of reach in there through here, and that kind of sucks. All right, so I'm studying this muffler here, and if you do like headers back, you gain like almost 40 wheel horsepower, and I see why. Because the way it routes, these are headers right here. They go into the catalytic, and then they go into a muffler that goes backwards and then quiets everything down and then goes back out. So it's not a straight shot or straight flow. That's why you lose so much horsepower. So we may do headers on this thing, seriously. Hi, dog. He's bashful.
Aston.
How old is he?
6 months.
Aston.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
Nice car too. All right, I'm gonna try to be productive here. I'm trying to wrench. Shout out to Bryan. We'll put a link to his Instagram in the description of this video. Y'all check him out. Bryan so graciously took some of his time on a Saturday to help me out, and I'm grateful. Yep. I think we're gonna be okay with this. I think we're gonna be okay. Dang, it sounds good, man.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I think we're gonna be all right.
Yeah, sounds like
Woo! It's gonna be screaming. Just finished up the Porsche. You want me to move? You want to move the? All right, I got it. I got it. Let me get the other one. All right. It's louder. I don't know if camera, like I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's a good amount louder. I didn't expect it to be that loud, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Straight piped. All right, let me pick up my old. All right, we're here at Hoover Dam with the Porsche getting some shots, and the exhaust sounds phenomenal. Shout out to Bryan once again. I'll link his Instagram in the description of this video. Porsche's looking dope, but also got a shout out to Isaac, who shot the picture for the thumbnail of this video. So link to his Instagram will also be in the description of this video. And there it is. That's the exhaust. And it sounds sick. It's quiet like when you don't get on it, and it gets loud when you get on it. So we'll see if I keep it like that, or if I open the exhaust up a little bit more. We'll see. Yo, what's up, YouTube? I got the exhaust again, and it sounds fabulous. I was a little bit worried that it was gonna be too quiet, but here's the deal. Under about 4,000 RPMs, it is quiet. But above 4,000 RPM, it howls. It sounds excellent. Really, really good. So I'm gonna drive it like this for a while.
Use the right lane to take the exit onto New Albany Road.
So I'm gonna drive it like this for a while and see if I want to keep it like this, because it's kind of good that you can keep it quiet if you want to. But it is a GT3 and a manual, and all right, listen to this. I'm gonna roll down the window.
Take the exit, then turn left onto New Albany Road.
About 4,000
In a quarter
RPM.
mile, turn left onto New Albany Road.
All right, so you'll be able to hear it a little bit.
Turn left onto New Albany Road.
So hopefully you guys can hear it. I'm gonna try to keep it above 3,000 RPM so you can hear it. Get in it, it's good. Dang. When you get in it, it's crazy. When you're driving normal,
Turn left onto New Albany Road
It's quiet.
west. Then the destination is on your left.
alright, so I was driving like an idiot there for a minute. Hopefully these people behind me understand I'm testing the exhaust. And the problem is, it makes you want to drive fast so you can hear the exhaust.
In 700 feet, the destination is on your left. Roosters.
Oh man, it sounds good. Sounds good. Shout out to MBRP. I'm at the wing spot. Pick up some wings after a hard day's work wrenching. Shout out to Goonzquad. Inspired me to wrench on my own car, but I did have help. So shout out to Bryan. Wouldn't have been possible without Bryan's help, for real. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me wrenching on the GT3. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me wrenching on my own car finally. Shout out to Bryan for helping out. Shout out to Isaac for coming to get some good shots. And shout out to the Goonzquad for inspiring me to try to wrench on the car and make some videos. Also, shout out to a couple more people that gave me the idea and some instruction for doing this. And that's Matt Mormon with Obsessed Garage. Go check out his channel. And Doris from Woman Driven. Really good channel. Her channel is exploding right now in growth on YouTube. So shout out to Matt. Shout out to Doris. You guys keep doing your thing. Love your YouTube channels. And I'm going to link everybody in the description of this video. And there's some worthwhile YouTube channels and Instagram pages to follow. So this is Will Motivation signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We got some really dope videos coming and some really dope content coming. It's summertime, so you know what we're going to do. Peace. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.